Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and dive into the MagicHuda Waterproof HD Makeup Kit combo for women and girls, a 16-piece all-in-one set that's got everything you need for a stunning full face look. Let's see what's inside this beauty powerhouse. First, the eyeshadow palette. It's loaded with vibrant mattes and shimmers perfect for any occasion, from subtle daytime to bold night vibes. I swatched a few shades and the pigmentation is pretty good. A bit of fallout, but nothing a tap can't fix. Next, the makeup brushes. There's a bunch in here, soft and sturdy enough for blending and applying everything smoothly. The kajal is jet black and creamy, glides on my waterline like a dream, and stays put, no smudging, even after hours. Then the eyeliner, sharp, precise, and waterproof. I drew a wing and it didn't budge. The false eyelashes add instant drama, easy to apply and reusable too. Now the red edition lipstick, bold, creamy, and long-lasting. It's giving major glam vibes. The foundation is HD quality, lightweight with solid coverage that evens out my skin tone perfectly. The primer is a star, smooths my pores and keeps my makeup locked in all day. The loose powder sets everything with a flawless matte finish, no shine here. And the makeup fixer, a quick spray, and my look is waterproof and sweatproof. I tested it in humidity and it held up like a champ. There's more, concealer, contour, blush. This kit is a total package. It's skin friendly and great for beginners or pros wanting an affordable option. It's not luxury. Some shades could be richer and brushes fancier, but for the price, it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll do a full HD look with this kit. If you're loving this, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this MagicHuda set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep slaying those looks together.